Good morning to all, my dear friends. Let me introduce myself. I am Sendil Kumar. I am having more than 25 years in construction industry and working experience in L&T, Shapurji Balanji, Soba Developers, and more. I gained professional experience various projects like high-rise buildings, cement plant, IT park, and multi-story residential buildings. I'm doing a business more than a decade in Tamil Nadu and all over India, and our clients are Embassy Residency, Reliance Industries, Pothys, and S&P Foundation. Now, let me move on to the presentation of future prospects in civil engineering session. Welcome you once again. Now, why civil engineering is important? Always remember the basic needs of man: food, clothing, and shelter. These three things we would never stop making it. Now, towards your question. Civil engineering is one field which has no end. It keeps on going, whether it may be building infrastructures or commercial or residential or water treatment facility or sewage treatment facility or etc. Talking globally, there are many projects which are due to complete by 2020. For example, Dubai Expo 2020, FIFA World Cups in different countries, infrastructure developments, dams constructions, etc. These are all big projects which takes minimum 5 to 7 years to complete. So you just have to sit back and relax. There is a huge demand for manpower, labor, engineers, etc. Right now, believe me, the way India is focusing on infra development to push up the economy, I don't think there will be any issue with the jobs in civil engineering for at least 20 to 25 years. Why to become a civil engineer? For money? For comfort? No. For satisfaction. To achieve something in life. Normally, the landmarks of the city are buildings only. The buildings are constructed by us. So whenever I cross road in the cities, I can proudly say the building has constructed by me, and this is the satisfaction only comes for civil engineers only. I have more landmarks in Chennai and all over Tamil Nadu. I can proudly say I am a civil engineer. Basically, engineers needs to learn, lead, and earn. These are the 3 steps to follow, succeed in all business. First, we should learn the subject, then only we can lead the team and earn more. Nowadays, wrong practices are going in the city. If you can't find a job with a good salary, the engineers are redirected to temporary jobs like food partners, delivery partners, and something they are doing other than civil engineering on temporary basis. Think these are the jobs are temporary only, and it is blocking your mind and not to think out of the box. So please avoid this kind of jobs. Please be patient to get a right job. Now we will see the scopes in civil engineering. You know very well, in India, after agriculture, infrastructure is the main criteria and yielding one and participated in more in our GDP. Civil engineering has very good scope in the future. It is one of the oldest and fastest growing branch in engineering. Career after civil engineering is highly rewarding. It has lesser unemployment rate in comparison to other branches. The civil engineers in the Indian construction industry is fragmented and plays an important role in all over economy. It accounts for about 9% of India as a GDP. There are mainly 3 segments in the construction industry. The real estate construction includes residential and commercial construction. infrastructure building, which includes roads, railways, power, etc., and industrial construction that consists of oil and gas refineries, pipelines, textiles, etc. RICS, Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, predict a demand supply gap of 44 million core civil engineering professionals in India by 2020. Yeah, plenty of opportunities awaits skilled professionals from civil engineering in the future, and the scope of civil engineering is huge. The government's scheme is Housing for All initiative aims to build 20 million affordable homes for the urban poor by 2020. It is initiated by government and giving more importance to this scheme. This will provide a significant boost to residential construction also. According to a study by Global Construction Perspective and Oxford Economics, India will become the world's third largest construction market by 2025, adding 11.5 million homes a year to become a $1 trillion a year market. This is very inspiring for the entrepreneurs and engineers who are going to initiate a new venture in the construction industry in India. Considering the above states, this is the best time to start your career as a civil engineer. Now, what are all the specializations in civil engineering? The major specializations in civil engineering are construction management, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, transportation engineering, and water resources engineering. Career options for civil engineers. The one is a field job, second one is a research, and third one is management. Field jobs are private sector, public sector, and government sector. Research jobs are MTech or PhD, scientists like ISRO, BARC, DRDO. Management programs are MBA in IIM, PGDBM in NITE, training institute like NICMOR. We have two options, like one is jobs, second one is self-employment. Now we are focusing on the jobs in the next slide. So considering the private sector, main things are building design and construction, real estate. Second one is infrastructure like highways, airports, special economic zone. Third one is water resource, dams and hydraulic structures. Fourth one is construction, planning and management. In public sectors are NTPC, NHPC, IRCON, RITE. Second one is SAIL, BHEL, Airport Authority of India, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, NAL, Oil Sector, ONGC, IOCL, HPCL, and GAIL. Job opportunities in public sector undertakings. If you are technically strong, you can apply for public sector undertakings. Nowadays, they are mainly dependent on the GATE score. Almost all government companies publish job advertisements regularly in national newspapers. So prepare hard for GATE. Practically, all civil service positions in public works departments are held by civil engineers. This is also one of the best engineering career options. Kindly check and apply for the latest government engineering jobs. Various government departments like the Central Public Works Department, Department of Atomic Energy, etc., conduct their own exams for recruitment. Following are the major public sector companies hiring civil engineering graduates. National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Gas Authority of India Limited, Steel Authority of India Limited, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, Indian Space Research Organization. These are the major sector, public sectors are playing role in the public sector undertakings. Now we are focusing about self-employment or business. We need to check some of the points below given for self-employment. First one is create a business plan. This is the first activity to start a business. Need to create a business plan. Before you go out and buy equipment or find employees, your first steps is to create a business plan. In your business plan, you set the foundation for everything you need to reach your long-term goals. Begin by researching the demand for construction companies in your area. This gives you an idea of how much work you have in your area. Once you complete the last step, find out the average cost of the construction or projects in your area. Ask yourself all the questions about how to start a construction business. In addition to doing market research, considering how your equipment and employees will cost to get a clear picture of your expense. Second one, picking a business entity. It is now time for you to pick a business entity for your new construction company. Some people who only plan to start with a few employees register as a sole proprietorship. Others register their plans as a corporation, but the option might not be the best unless you plan to go public. Registering as a limited liability corporation is the most common and useful option for small and mid-sized business. You will have a, hire a lawyer to draft the documents and pay fees to the city in which you are registering your business. Third important one is get licensed. Depending on your state and the area in which you specialize, the law might require you to get licensed. You will also have to demonstrate that you at least have liability insurance before most states grant a license. Check your local laws to learn what licensing regulations apply to your construction business. If you want to avoid fines, having a license shows your customers that you have the proper experience and the training to do the job right. Fourth important one, get business insurance. Most of the people not worried about the insurance, but it is mandatory to all business. Having insurance is essential. You at least want to buy liability insurance so that you have coverage if something goes wrong while you are on the job. Liability insurance covers any damage you cause to a customer's property while you are working. Worker compensation pays for injuries your employees get while they are working, protecting you from liability. Having proper workers' compensation plan also protect you from fines. The fifth one is very important, financing your business. It is now time to consider how you will finance your business. You could use your business plan to try attracting investors, or you could get a loan. Rather than going a standard bank, go to banks that specialize in business loans. A solid business plan improves your odds of getting a loan by showing the lender that your business will be profitable. The sixth one, keep your projects organized. If you finalize everything, you have to make the arrangements of project should be well organized. You can manage everything without using project management software, but it would be lot like learning to play the piano with your thumbs in splints. Though at first you may be able to get away with using templates and spreadsheets. The last one is final thoughts. Final thought means how it comes best or worst. You should think with all above plans. Although launching a construction business takes a little effort, the rewards are more than worth it. You will soon own a company in a growing industry. Before you get there, you must follow all the steps and deal with any complications that show up along the way. Your construction company should be up and running before you know, if you keep your eye on the prize. Okay, okay. Now think confused. Which field should I join? Just ask one question to your mind. The engineers, what do you want to be after 10 years from now? So the long vision is required to identify the way you want to go. Consider your capabilities and limitations. Don't underestimate or overestimate yourself. Your self confidence is more important to find all the above. So, these are the answers you will be your career. Remember, God created a very honorable place for everybody. Your job is just to search it. Unfortunately, most of the people don't approach in right path. Now, one more thing. Nowadays, engineers are immediately turned out to the entrepreneur. It is very easy in our field. I can give one example. Entrepreneur is a magical term of engineer. Won't believe I started my construction company after 1.5 years my college without zero investment. I started an independent house and I got money and I used it for construction work. I started a zero investment and I finished more than 100 projects in the city. So investment is not required for engineer. If invested, we will go for major contracting company. So the age is not required to start a business. If you have strong idea in subject, you can start immediately. What are all the prerequisites? Strong common sense. So common sense is required to start a business. How it works, we should think positive attitude. So to avoid negative thoughts, make what are all the positive points to start a business or project. Vision. So long vision is required. Like how Infosys, Narayana Murthy or Tata or Ambani, they are having a long vision and achieved a lot of things and they are ruling the world. So long vision is required. Honesty and dedication. This record for any business, honesty and dedication. Ethics. So professional ethics is very important in this business. Management skills and teamwork. So without teamwork, we cannot succeed. Courage to face challenges. In this business, we need to face lot of challenges. Sometimes we may log the payment in contracting company. We have to face the challenges with the contracting company. Anyway, if the documents are everything in proper, definitely you will get back your payment. So there is no doubt on that. So we need to face lot of challenges. We need to accept it. Good health, physical capabilities. In construction industry, nobody is caring about health. So everyone wants to work 24 by 7 and no need to take food or breakfast or dinner. If you avoid this and all, you have to lose your physical capabilities in the age of 40 or 50. So you should maintain a good health to sustain more and to achieve more. So good health is a very important in this prerequisite. Extraordinary brilliant, not necessary in the field. Now we are focusing the formula for success. Success is equal to intelligence, hard work, attitude, and the smartness plus one. What is the smartness? Smartness is need to give more attention in planning and optimistic approach. The second one, very important, is time management. So commitment is the very important in our field. Honesty and ethics, soft skills. Fifth one is computer and internet literacy. The last one, general knowledge and helping hand. How to top up with the optimum study. Your major activities. Take smart decisions and make sacrifices. It will pay you back. So decision, that spontaneous decision is very important at the project activities, because we need to have alternate arrangements for all activities. Remember, no free lunch theorem. One of the staircase method is explaining the how to start and achieve the business. Always set a small goal. Get it done. This will give you lot of confidence. Then set next higher goal. Never jump directly, because if you jump directly, it may fail. You have to come back in the first position. So it is a very dangerous. Remember, low aim is also crime. Line of sight. What is the line of sight required to sustain in the construction industry? Broad vision. So you need to have a broad vision about construction projects or new technology updates, new kind of instruments, softwares, and lot of things. Be inspired from others. Interact with others. That is more important. Actually, we associated Association of Chennai Civil Engineers, and I'm doing as a president, and we are interacting with a lot of engineers, lot of consultants, lot of architects. So that will give more input in our business, that we can more apply in our business. Remember, excellence is a journey, not a destination. When you achieve success, you will face challenge, and again you have to achieve success. Planning. People spend their days in project but achieve very little success because they are not planning well. You must consider your abilities and limitations while planning. Lot of construction companies are failed due to poor planning in the labor management or financial management. It is a very important to complete the project with the proper planning. Long term, prepare plan for whole project for successful completion and monitor day to day activity. So micro level planning is very important to monitor the activity, and if it fails one or two, then we can able to manage with the next one. So the micro level project planning is very useful to monitor the schedule. Short term, plan for a week and micro schedule to monitor daily basis. Civil engineers can work to be an entrepreneur. Lot of major disciplines can work civil engineers now, like civil contractor, structural and project management consultant, quantity surveyor, building consultant, real estate marketing, material testing laboratories, construction material suppliers, approvals, planners, valuers, waterproofing consultant, and much more. These are the uh, activities doing as a contract as a civil engineer. Accept pressure. In construction company, they will not allow without pressure because every day, every hour, they want to keep the pressure on mind. So please accept pressure. Don't worry, it is natural. Remember, a piece of coal perform well under temperature and pressure, known as diamond. You should be strong to handle this tension. Civil engineering is very challenging branch. At the bottom of success ladder, there is only crowd. At the upper point, there is a competition. Always remain in upper part. Civil Engineers Association. Actually, one of the major association in civil engineering in Tamil Nadu as well as in India, and Civil Engineers Association are playing major role for our civil engineers. More than thousands of association, civil engineers association are in Chennai or in India, and in Tamil Nadu itself, more than 100 civil engineers association are here. Now, I'm explaining what is the role of association and how it will give inputs to the civil engineers and how it will help to the engineers. Okay, what is association? Because some people are thinking association is belongs to political party, but no, it's not like that. Political party or something, it is not like that. Association is needed for everyone. Association means a group of people organized for a joint purpose, gathering of people for a common cause or purpose. Actually, we are giving association services are divided into three views: professional services, personal services, and social services. Why I am explaining the association in the future prospects in civil engineering. Association are playing a major role to give job opportunities, to give engineering services and professional services and lot of things. We are giving more and more to our civil engineers. That's why I'm giving some of the few points about association. So what is the professional services? Technical guidance. Now we are having more than 1,000 engineers in our social network. Whatever they are giving, they are questioning some technical issues or what are all the technical problems. And we are having a more consultant, architects and design experts in our association group. And they are giving immediate response to them and they are sorting the technical issues to our engineers, job opportunity for employer and business people. We are providing lot of job opportunity from major contract company to our engineers. So lot of people are benefited through our association. And if someone asks business, we are providing business also within us. Because if someone needs contractor, someone needs waterproofing agency, someone needs a design consultant, so we are sharing our business within our people, connecting all our professionals. So we are connecting all our professionals. We are connecting all our professionals like contractors, architects, consultants, and all type of civil engineers. Supports through social media. So we are giving all supports. If someone needs mason gang or someone needs a contract or someone needs a waterproofing agent or whatever they need, we will provide all supports through social media or directly to them. Sharing ideas and thoughts, we are giving our ideas and technical inputs or new construction updates. We are providing every day whenever it comes to all engineers. Moral support, moral support, moral support. We are providing meetings in every 2 months. So we gathered 300 more engineers at one point with the construction experts, like they are from IIT or they are from a major construction company like Triple CR or L&T. They are coming from my architect firm like CRN. So we are providing meetings every 2 months, and we are giving moral support to all engineers. We are connecting together, we are sharing our ideas, we are sharing our thoughts, we are sharing our inputs about the construction industry. If someone does not have a job, we will provide with us. So like that, we are giving a more moral support to all our engineers. Legal guidance and more. So legal guidance is a very important. If someone need building approvals or land approvals or any legal issue at the project, so we are having all type of legal peoples in our association link, and we are providing them, and we are giving inputs to overcome the legal issues. And this type of more professional services we are giving to our engineers, and engineers can think they have a supports in association. So personal services supports all over districts. If someone needs a hospital emergency or any type of supports, we have association of more than 100 in Tamil Nadu itself. So we are having a link with all key persons in our association. So we can provide supports all over districts and all over states. It's like a supports like a manpower and material. Emergency support, if someone may held up due to some problems or someone admitted in a hospital, so we have a association link, and if we make a call to them, and they will rush to the hospital or some wherever they can help immediately. So business guidance, if I'm going to start a business in some districts or some places, I can contact them and I can get the details from the vendors or contractors from the particular place. So this type of helps comes from all over districts and states. Family entertainment. So we are providing family entertainment once in 3 months, because normally the civil engineers are always think away from family. So we don't leave family. So we are giving you much more important for family. So we prefer to celebrate with the family and family meetings, and we are having a lot of things with the family entertainment. Sports activity, every 6 months we are providing a sports activity like athletes, high jump, running. So lot of things, because body physics is much more important in our field. So we can go 20 years back or 30 years back, whatever we did. So we are refreshing ourselves doing sports like cricket, football, volleyball, like lot of activities are giving to our association. Personal supports, personal supports, whatever the personal they can ask us, and some extent we can give the inputs to our engineers. Social, so we are giving more importance in social activities also. We have organized blood donation camp with our engineers, and once in the 6 months, and we are giving to the with associated with the Lions Club and Rotary Club. So we are doing blood donation, tree plantation. We are fixing date. Former President Dr. Abdul Kalam birth. We are providing a tree plantation all over the cities and maintaining the sea. Sponsors to government schools. Some of the government schools are still need to have a good facility like a toilet or a sports ground, something where we can have some sponsors in our association. So we are keeping to provide sponsors to government schools, and we did lot of things to government schools. Supports during flood and cyclone times. We are giving supports through money or food, rice, everything during flood and cyclone times. Traffic awareness program. Traffic awareness program is a very important in the city areas, because traffic we are having more than 50-60 peoples, and we have selected 10 traffic areas, and we will be there and making some board arrangements, signboards, and giving road shows to the public. Now it is conclusion. A civil engineering career is one of the most searched, most discussed, and probably the hottest topic in terms of job availability in today's time. In most of the countries around the globe, finding the right career in any field of interest is one of the toughest jobs for those people who are a bit confused about their futuristic plan but flexible in any working environment. But if the proper guidance and information about the concerned subject are provided, then the issue can be easily solved with greater precision without losing your valuable time. Before opting for civil engineering as a career, one must have the answers to some definite questions which play a vital role in anyone's career, because with every passing day, the world as a global market is becoming tougher and tougher for the existence of new arrivals. So it is necessary to have a proper knowledge about the concerned field before opting for it is a career. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session, and please give your valuable feedback and comment. Thank you.